99X, it's the Morning X. It's Barnes and Leslie.
Hey, you know our friend The Steve Show. He's coming up. He's got tickets for Crowded House, Cadence Bank Amphitheater, of course, at Chastain Park, Friday, August 30th. And then on Steve's College of Musical Knowledge at 1:45.
What?
Some 41.
Do you
at
hear
the
that?
Coca-Cola Roxy. Yeah, I don't know what it is. I'm continuing to talk. Saturday, May 11th with The Steve Show, 10 to 3 on 99X.
Okay, that's really... It sounds like it's coming from the vault.
Can you figure out what's happening here?
Hey, guys, what is... Hold on, listen.
Did you accidentally push a button?
No.
Should we go in the vault?
Does this have to do with all the sound? It sounds like it's coming from the wall. Is it from the vault?
Do you want to try to go inside and see? Can we at least try to figure this out?
Let me open the door. Hang on.
We need to once or for all figure out what's happening.
Okay, it's getting louder. Listen.
It is coming from the vault.
It's back here on... Hold on. It's aisle 13. What is this door? I've never seen this door behind this shelf ever.
Are you going to be brave enough to open it? Come on.
It sounds like someone's in there. You open it.
What?
I'm not going to open it.
All right, hold on.
Hold on. Pull it.
What?
There's a guy. Hey! Hey! Stop! Dude! Butch?
Hey, what's up?
Butch
Walker? What?
Well, what are y'all doing here?
What are you doing here? This is our vault.
I'm just sitting here rehearsing.
Hold on.
How did we get connected? This is unbelievable.
This door, I've never seen. We have the rolling shelves, and I haven't gone this far back. And there's behind the door is this a rehearsal space?
Yeah, we're rehearsing.
Wait.
Well, sorry to interrupt, Butch, but we're a little confused here.
Why are you rehearsing here?
Well, the Marvelous Three's rehearsing for a show.
What? Well, that's actually kind of breaking news.
Rehearsing for what show?
Well, we're going to play a show Friday, October 25th at the Tabernacle.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Wait, you're just now telling us
Everybody, hold on a second. All these horror sounds that we've been hearing the last week and a half, has that been you?
I've been testing effects for Halloween.
It's been you the whole time.
This whole time, we were blasting our engineers.
We walked out of the show yesterday because it was so distracting.
It was.
Sorry.
It was creepy and scary.
So you're doing a show. We've been looking for a band to play our Brouhaha.
Well, we've been looking for an excuse to get the engines fired back up after last year's 3 sold-out nights at the Tabernacle we did, and we just decided we would make this an annual thing. So
wait.
Yeah.
Wait a second. Wow. So you're talking about an annual Marvelous 3 Halloween show?
Yeah.
Well, wait.
What?
We were bringing back Brouhaha. Why don't we team up?
Oh, God, that's perfect.
You think?
That'd be amazing.
Can we hook onto your engine and make this official?
Well, let's do it. That'll be insane.
Wait a minute. The only problem is that legal gets mad when we just do stuff on the fly. But who cares?
Well, forget about that, because if we have an opportunity to have Marvelous 3 headline Brouhaha, it's a done deal.
Wait, how can we do you have a plan for tickets?
Well, we were thinking about, obviously the show is Friday, October 25th, as I mentioned, and we have a mailing list pre-sale. If you're on our mailing list, which you can go to actually our website and get on the mailing list. And the mailing list pre-sale starts Wednesday the 17th at 10 a.m. Eastern time, actually. Tomorrow.
Yeah, but you remember our infamous Brouhahas.
Wow.
And to go back to last year, this is insane.
Yeah, that sounds like a match made in heaven to me, or hell, or whatever.
Marvelous 3, the Brouhaha returns with Marvelous 3. People are going to flip.
Now, Barnes, it's a marvelous Brouhaha now.
Yeah.
Come on.
Okay,
I like your style.
What about tickets for regular people who aren't on the mailing list?
If you're not on the mailing list, then you will get a general on sale on Friday, that following Friday, the 19th, at 10 a.m. Eastern as well.
Hold on. I've got
Yep.
I've got to write this
I kept
down.
asking you, when are you doing another Marv 3 show after Chicago, Atlanta? This is epic. This is epic.
It doesn't blow you away that there's a rehearsal space behind our vault?
That too.
And this
Yes.
dude has been making noise for 2 weeks almost?
We're
We've
very
been cussing
sneaky.
you out, not knowing it was you.
Well, we didn't want the word to get out. We just
Well,
we
then
wanted to
why
wait.
get a rehearsal space in 99X's building?
Well, I don't know. Maybe we were just trying to actualize this little meetup here.
This is the strangest turn of events. Well,
This is so strange.
we could have been going to lunch all these days. Instead, you're in this dark studio.
Well, now the secret's out. Now the rat's out of the bag.
Wow.
Yeah.
You realize that these tickets are going to, seconds.
Oh,
It will
well,
sell out in seconds.
Let's get our head around this again. So Friday, October 25th, the 99X Brouhaha with the Marvelous Three.
It's official.
And the tickets, if you're on your mailing list, are tomorrow.
Wow.
Tomorrow.
Wednesday, the 17th, and then is it 19th for regular?
Yeah, 19th on Friday the 19th. And that, we were going to announce this on people just last minute anyway. So I guess here we are.
Damn.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we have some surprises that I want to share with you when we turn off these microphones, because I think it might make it more fun too. Some stuff that we had planned that you might be down with.
Great.
Some
So
surprises.
does this mean you're going to stay in our vault permanently?
I mean, why not?
How long have you
This is
rented? How long have you had the space? Like, how long are you keeping it?
I don't know. I think we'll at least use it once a year to rehearse for our big annual
this is
reunion
exciting.
shows we're going to do.
This is so cool. All right. Well, damn. I'm glad.
You
first
just
of
made
all,
our week. This is unbelievable.
By stopping
Same.
all the stupid horror sounds that you've been playing through the walls. But this is the weirdest thing. All right. Well, let's get out of the vault. You go back to rehearsing. And I guess we need to let Steve know what's happening. He's the program director. Marvelous Three.
that. A marvelous
Yeah.
brouhaha.
Yeah,
Awesome.
let's
Well,
do this.
All right, dude. Well, we're just going to shut our little partition door here and let you go back to what you're doing.
Awesome.
And we'll see you later. So we'll see you.
All right.
Thanks, Butch.
Looking forward to it.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
Fram.
I don't believe that just happened. I
This
cannot
is
freaking believe that just
Unreal.
happened.
All right. The Steve show is. Hold, let me shut our
Wow.
door. Hang on.
I am so excited.
See, he won't stop. That's the weirdest thing.
He's rehearsing.
All right, the Steve Show is next. We're going to go start organizing. The 99X Brouhaha is back. This is 99X.